Hello, I am Shashwat and this is my CS50P final project, a word guessing game inspired from Hangman. This project is a classical word guessing game implemented in Python. Players try to guess a hidden word by suggesting letters with only 6 wrong guesses allowed. So this project includes 4 main files, python.py that includes the main game logic and 7 functions for implementing the same. The test project.py consists of test cases for which check whether the project.py run perfectly. Then words.txt has a set of words which are guessed in the program. Then requirements.txt has the necessary package information that need to be installed for running the program. So now let me show you how the program works. I just run the program. So it's a four letter word, and I have 6 guesses. So it's gonna be easy, hopefully. Let's start with a letter A. A is not there. Let's try with E. E is also not there. So I can try for any other letter. For example, L. L is there, so that's a good try. Now I can try for another letter like I. I is also there in the list. So now there can be many possibilities. Now the word I can feel it can be is like list. So I try for S. S is also there and T. So yeah, we got it. So that's how we can do. Let me try another word. It's a 5 letter word, so I can try for like A. A is there in the word. I try for B. B is not there, so I have one wrong guess. Like I try for U. U is also not there. Z. Z is also not there. X. X is also not there. So then I have just 2 guesses remaining. I try for I. I is also not there. B. B is also not there. B is already guessed, so it warns me that I've already guessed that letter. I try for another letter like G. G is not there. Since I exceeded my guess limit, so the game ends and the word was class. So yeah. So this is how the program works, and so the game validates the input. If I enter a number or multiple letters, it asks again. If I repeat a letter I already guessed, it warns me about that. So the code is organized into modular functions like choose words, display progress, check guesses, load word list. So all these functions have a specific purpose and it is thoroughly tested. So the project also includes the comprehensive tests covering all the main functions, edge cases like empty words, case sensitivity, and file operations. All these test cases pass successfully, showing that the project and the game works reliably. I can also show the running of these projects. So as we can see, all the test cases are passed. This shows that everything is working properly. So this project demonstrates key Python concepts like file IO, random selection, input validation, game logic, and comprehensive testing. So thank you for watching my CS50P final project demo.